How to set up your Radex Airline Filter. Take the Radex legs and filter body out of the box. Then take out the parts bag. In the parts bag, there should be one regulator, one pressure gauge, two couplers, one brass T, one pressure relief valve, instruction manual, and a cartridge replacement sticker. Take the brass T, apply thread sealant, and thread it into the top of the regulator. Ensure it is tight. We recommend applying thread sealant to every thread. Now, take the couplers and attach them to the brass T. Thread the pressure gauge into the front side of the regulator. Ensure all components are tight. Take the filter body and position it on the legs. Line up the arrows on the body with the arrows on the legs and rotate clockwise until the body clicks into place. Alternatively, the unit can be wall-mounted by screwing the legs to the wall and attaching the filter body in its wall mount position. Thread your regulator assembly into the lid of the filter and tighten. Then, thread in the pressure relief valve. Take your filter replacement sticker, write today's date on it, and adhere it to the body. Your cartridge needs to be replaced every 3 months or 400 operating hours. Now, connect your incoming air.